What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Gringo Garage, and today we're going to be changing the blower motor resistor on a 2005 Dodge Ram. I'm sure this will fit several model years of Ram and Jeep. So this is it right here. Got this bad boy on Amazon, very cheap, not expensive at all. I'll put a link in the description. I think I paid like 12 or 15 bucks or something. But let me show you what's going on. So this is the truck we're going to be working on. 05 Ram. Doesn't matter what motor you got, because this is just a blower motor. So here we have it. We'll put the key in. I don't know if you can hear it. We're on high speed. I'm going to turn it to low. And it's actually blowing harder at low. So we got the first two speeds work, and then as soon as you hit like the third and fourth high settings, it cuts out. So we got our resistor right here, and if we come right underneath the passenger side dash, right here is let's get you some better lighting. Right here is the plug we got to take out. So you just squeeze and pull, and as you can see, there's two Phillips head screws we're going to pop out right now. Here's the old one. This is the original factory resistor from 2005. It looks like it is a little corroded in there. And here's the new one, nice and new. And once you get under here, check. Make sure you ain't got a bunch of debris in here, because that burns them out too. This truck is low mileage, so it is clean. And we will just take our new one, slide her up there, and let's put our screws in. Now that is all screwed in, let's go ahead and plug it in. Just like that. Alright, so here's the moment of truth. We got low, medium low, and there's our high speed. It's blowing. Alright, so one thing to note when working on this, always make sure that your connections are good. So inspect your terminals, make sure they're not corroded before you plug them all back in. And check your blower motor, which is right here on the back. Pop that one out. Inspect that one. Make sure it's not corroded either. Alright guys, so that's how you change the blower motor resistor on a Dodge Ram here. Hope it was helpful, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.